Cities didn't always mean non-stop spring allergies, but one odd planting choice made it feel that way. Decades ago, many urban planners preferred planting male trees because they didn't drop messy fruit, so streets stayed clean. But that choice meant the air filled with way more pollen, which means many cities accidentally turned themselves into giant sneeze machines. And that's why some of the worst allergy hotspots today are places that tried the hardest to stay tidy. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want more strange true stories hidden in everyday design.